Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at Toyota Tacoma double cab TRD Sport Upgrade. This is a 5-passenger 4-door pickup in midnight black. Under the hood you'll find a 3.5 liter V6 riding on top of 17-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your front tow hook, fog lights and daytime running lights, turn signals on the side mirrors, and trailer hitch for all your towing needs. But now why don't we hop inside this Tacoma and see what else it has to offer. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button as well as our panic button. Press the unlock button once for the driver's side. We're going to take a look in the front first. On the bottom you do have some nice storage space. Above it are your power windows, locks and mirrors. Equipped with all weather mats. And on the bottom you have your manual seating adjustment dials and levers. But now why don't we hop inside. Start the Tacoma up. So we're going to take a look on the left side of the steering wheel first. Here you have your arrows which will help you navigate through your entertainment display that's located right in the center. Underneath that you have your voice recognition system and your hands-free calling. On the right you have this cluster, and this just allows you to navigate through your multi-information display. Underneath you have your Toyota Safety Sense buttons with dynamic cruise control and lane departure assist, and your cruise control speed settings are right behind the wheel. Moving on to our screen here right now, we're on home. It's got a split screen going with whatever audio might be playing and device that might be connected. And on the other side you have your navigation map, and if you just press that, that'll enlarge the full screen. We go in audio, shows you your sources. You have your standard AM and FM, of course. You also have a choice between USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth. Backup camera, nice and clear. Down to our climate control system. It is a dual zone, so you can adjust the temperatures on both sides, like so. Right here you have your driver heated seat button and your passenger heated seat button. Drivetrain selector, heated mirror button. Here you have your key wireless charger button. Just make sure that's on. Put your phone down here and that'll charge right up without any cables. You also have your USB auxiliary, 12-volt outlet, some storage underneath there. Here is your manual shifter, 2 cup holders, center console nice and simple, and glove box. Plenty of space in this one. But now why don't we just close that right up. So before we hop in the cargo, let's just take a quick look in the back. On the bottom of the door you have some storage just like the driver's side. Continuing with the all-weather mats. Behind the front passenger seat you do have a nice little pocket for some extra storage. And to show you that the bottom half of the seat does go up, and you got some storage underneath there as well. Of course that's under both. And then the back one goes down, and that also has some storage behind there as well. So to open up, all you got to do is just give this handle a gentle pull, and that'll drop down for you nice and slow. A nice bed liner in here. If we take a look in the side, just twist that, opens up, you got a nice little storage compartment, and under here you have your power outlet. So close up, just give this a gentle push. Taking a last look at our Toyota Tacoma double cab TRD Sport Upgrade. Once again, some of those great interior features include your heated seats, backup camera, Bluetooth audio, and navigation. But there's a whole lot more I still didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.